Greetings of the day, students. In continuation with the topic lines and angles, today we are going to learn some more angles. Let's start with linear pair angles. A pair of adjacent angles whose non-common arms are opposite rays are known as linear pair. For example, in this diagram, there are two adjacent angles, angle AOB and angle BOC, and their non-common arms AO and CO are in opposite direction. So they form a linear pair and sum of both the angles will be 180 degree. But in this diagram, although the angles are adjacent, but the non-common arms AO and OC are not in opposite direction. So they don't form a linear pair, and also the sum of these two angles is not equal to 180 degree. Now let's understand vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect, then the angles having their arms in the opposite direction are called as vertically opposite angles, and these angles are always equal. Let's understand the concept of vertically opposite angles with the help of this diagram. Here, angle STQ and angle PTR are vertically opposite angles and they are equal. Similarly, angle PTS and angle RTQ are also vertically opposite angles and they are also equal. Now let's understand the concept of these two angles with this diagram. Here, angle 1 and angle 2 form a linear pair and their sum is 180 degree. Similarly, angle 1 and angle 3 form a linear pair and again their sum is 180 degree. But angle 2 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles and their sum may not be 180 degree, although they are equal. I hope you have understood these two angles. Thank you, students.